Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, I got something kind of old. Maybe you guys might like it, maybe you don't. Leave a comment down below, but in the meantime, like, share, and subscribe. Yes, I have bleach marks on my shirt, but I don't care. It's warm out, and today is the last day of summer. It's sad, I know. But here's something they've had in their parking lot forever. I've never paid much attention to it. But it's got like old school, like, you know, European plates on it. It's a 1967. The last time this thing was registered was in June of 2002. So this thing was registered 22, almost 23 years ago. What they're doing with it, I have no idea. Would it be a cool, like, you know, project car to do as long as the frame isn't rotted out? Yeah, yank the motor out of it, put something cool in it, suspension, good rear end, be fun to do. Oh, it's got dual gas tanks with the key. But this car's been sitting here an awful long time. Yeah, there's stuff just laying around here that I do not want to trip over. I mean, it's got dual exhaust on it. Who knows what's in it for a motor. I'm going to see if I can try and get the hood open. Can't make no guarantees. But, I mean, it doesn't look like it's too bad a shape from the outside. But you never know until you get into it. These things are like onions. You start peeling them away. And that's what happens. But it's right-hand drive, which I think is pretty cool. Oh, big. Not that big of a door, but it's heavy. Whew, and it smells like an old car. Oh, good Lord. I'm gonna get in it. Oh. Oh, you can hear the leather just cracking as I sit in it. Oh, God. Oh, this is horrible. Everything is so dry rot. And you can tell there's been mice in it. So who knows what the heck I'm sitting in right now. Oh yeah, there's a mouse nest. They've probably eaten most of the wiring. And oh, look at that. It actually folds down so you can get to all the gauges. It actually has a clock. Wow. Stopped at like 231. But that's kind of cool that it comes down like that to where you can get to the gauges. That's kind of cool. I've never seen that. But man, this thing is old and crunchy. Is this the ashtray? Yes, it is. Wow. And it's just a really old ashtray. Oh, yuck. This is probably for the emergency brake, I'm guessing. I'm going to try and get to the other side of this. Oh, yeah, the door cards are spent. Oh, I sat in this thing too. Everything's all over me. Ugh. But this is kind of cool. The windows pop out like that. They still work too. If you know anything about these old cars like this, leave a comment down below. It'd be kind of cool, you know, if somebody knew one of these. And these are those trays that fold up, so when you're driving you could eat your lunch, or they didn't have laptops back then. Oh, yuck. Yeah, this thing is, it's so old. I mean, the leather is just, you push on it, it'll probably crack. Oh, man. Whew. I wonder if I don't know if you can get the trunk open. Oh, it does. Hey, found a... Somebody, I don't know, please tell me this is not a gas tank that somebody did. I think it is. And guessing by all these parts right here, here's another gas tank. That there looks like the, you know, the top of the motor. Yeah, this thing's all in pieces. Wow. Yeah, it is. I don't know what that is. Is that like a roadside repair kit, kind of? That's what I think it is. Wow. This one even open? No, it won't open. I mean, it's got all sorts of parts in it. Yeah, I mean, all sorts. Oh yeah, distributor, all that. So I don't know if it's got the same motor. Oh yeah, there's mouse poop everywhere. Oh, I just touched it. And power windows, which is kind of cool. But this car has definitely seen better days. And you guys know this place, I do all my recordings here. But man, I don't even know if... Oh, no, that's... I'm trying to see. No, that's not the... Wow. How many miles are actually on this car? Well, it goes in kilometers. So... Can't really... It looks like 85,000. If it's kilometers, who knows? But this interior definitely shot. Yeah. I don't know if the hood will open. I'm going to try. I mean, the door card's missing. Or it's probably in there. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. Oh. Try to get it open. If I can. I know it opens up backwards. But I think that one release in there might be the hood release. Because I would like to see what's left underneath the hood. Right here. This is for the emergency breakdown, one or the other. Oh, and there's the dead mousey. Yeah, it is a Flintstone car. Yeah, I found some dead rodents in it. Ugh. Yeah, this car's done. I mean, the floorboards are rotted out. If you have one of these, you needed parts. Definitely heavy. Yeah, it's a shame that it looks like somebody tried to save it at one point because it got painted, because the rims are painted to match. And judging by how the tires are dry rotted, yeah, this car's been sitting for God knows how long, forever. Yeah, the doors are starting to go. I mean, it's solid there. Surprising. Yeah. Big trunk in it too, though. Definitely big. Kind of pretty good sized car. I mean, the chrome doesn't look too bad on it. It's starting to pit. It's just really weird because it had New York State registration on it, but it had the European plate on the on the front and the back. So I don't know. And you'd think a car like this having dual gas tanks in it, they would be pretty big. But I found that one and it was pretty small. So, but it is what it is. It's a shame. A lot of good chrome pieces left on it. Somebody has one of these, and this piece right here would lift up so you can get air inside the car. But yeah, I mean, you can't really see anything down there. It's starting to rot out, and I just put my hand in the spider web. What else to do? But yeah, it's a shame. I've been seeing this car in the parking lot for quite a while. Driving past it. I mean, it's probably been sitting here for like a year. I just never really paid no mind to it. But maybe somebody will want it for parts. Maybe somebody will do something cool with it. Nobody knows, but one last look at the interior here. Ugh. Yeah, it's even got these little ones in the front too. Oh, ow, that was my thumb. Yeah, if I left the window open on this thing, I don't think it would really matter. Because I don't think you can hurt this car any more than it already is. Old school radio. Oh, I thought, oh man, the mouse poop all through it, and I sat in this thing. You guys better be happy with this video. Because I do not like sitting in nasty ass cars. I mean, it's a shame. I mean, this was the luxury car back in the day too. At one point, this was considered pure luxury. Yeah. Should I lift this up? Oh, the window controls. Okay. I just didn't feel like finding any more mice. because it's kind of gross. Ugh, and it's bright out today too. Okay guys, I gotta get my sunglasses back on here. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and please give it a big fat thumbs up. It definitely helps me with the algorithm. Till then, I'll see you on the next one.